Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Blue color, orange color, red color, pink color, chocolate color, green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Circle, triangle, square, hexagon, heart and pentagon. First we're going to draw the shapes. Circle, next triangle, next square, next hexagon, next heart, next pentagon, now we're going to put the color. Green color, circle, next pink color, triangle, next chocolate color, square, next orange color, hexagon, next kids, red color, heart, next blue color, pentagon, what we learn? We learn green color, circle, pink color, triangle, chocolate color, square, orange color, hexagon, red color, heart, blue color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.